Hey, well, welcome to Lavier's Urban Garden. This is Tim. I thought I'd give you a little tour of what's going on here. Well, let's start with Lavier. He's putting bags all over the the tomatoes to keep them from birds eating them. But here's what I thought. It's not like I think there's going to be doom and gloom anywhere, but there are things hard to buy at the grocery store today. So I thought about this. If we want a salad, we are so good to go. And we coming through and we're cooking. You can actually eat these, but I don't think I'd eat these. But if I was desperate, I guess I could. But either way, we have a lot of things growing. He has these tomatoes growing like mad here. He has beets back there if we need the high sugar content of beets. Hey, guess what? We got a bunch growing. They're a little small now, and we got enough food here. We could wait it out. But quite frankly, glad we have them. But anyways, then we have more salad down here just ready to pick. He's giving them to people. We got some carrots down there if we want some nice carrots. We had those carrots are like purple carrots, which look really pretty when I put them in a stir fry yesterday, which was a beef stir fry, oriental beef stir fry. So good. But either way, we come through here. We got more greens that are growing. I got my husband pointing at me saying, give me my bag, because he has to bag more tomatoes.
I need a few of them.
He says he needs a few of them. Hold on. Let me get two. I got 3?
Yep.
Okay.
Lots of tomatoes.
So I got to give him 3 bags so he can do his work. No one appreciates what this man does to actually make this happen.
These little brown nose suckers aren't going to get my tomatoes this year.
Yeah, by the way, the brown nose suckers are a type of bird that's out here that like to stick their fucking beaks. Oops. All right, we'll edit that out. Stick their beaks into his tomatoes and make them all spoil. But anyways, we got a pepper plant growing. Here we're gonna have 1 million peppers there. When that finally grows tomatoes, oh my goodness, I can't even speak about tomatoes, because he's just went nuts on them because they started to grow really well. But over here, there's a pepper plant there. If there's not a lot of peppers on these pepper plants right now, my aunt came into town and was making potato salad in bulk. And we gave her all the nicest peppers we could find, which were absolutely amazing in the salad. What else is going on in his garden? Over here, got some more peppers. If you want to burn your stomach up, I guess you can live on jalapeno peppers or whatever those are. I don't know things, so that's what I call that, whatever those are. Hey, look, guess what? He got some, whatever those are called growing. He said he couldn't get growing. More peppers. Look at these things right here. These big old purple peppers. Wonder what those would be good in. I can cook pretty well, so maybe it'll happen. And then we have these banana peppers. He's been pickling these banana peppers, which is really, really cool as well, by the way, because I like pickled banana peppers on a good sandwich. Get a nice hoagie bun and put there. Oh, speaking of buns, do you want to know what's really cool about my husband? He actually bakes his own bread. So we have like yeast and bread flour all over the place. So if we need bread, we can have all the bread we want for a while. But anyway, and then we have herbs. These are herbs all back there. Whatever that herb is, it's an herb. He has herbs all over the place, so that...
Yeah, I need some more of those bags.
What?
I need some more of those bags for my tomatoes.
Oh, okay. So, hold on. I told Lavier I would help him. He said, oh, well, you're going to have to make sure to grab the stem like this and do this like this. I said, no, I thought I would just be handing you the bags. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So let's see what he's doing over there.
I think all the fellow gardeners will understand that you got to be gentle with these things or you break the tomatoes off and then they'll be healthy. So you just got to be gentle. And we're done.
Are we done?
We are done. We're going to go around the front now.
Oh, wait, we got more?
Yes, plenty more.
That's a lot more to do. Why do we have to do all that work?
Well, because you want fresh tomatoes, especially if we're going to be stuck in the house for the next month.
That's our anniversary plant. It's really a drag. It's a, what's that plant called?
It is called a tropical hybrid. hibiscus.
A tropical hibiscus in the desert. Lavier has done everything he possibly could to make that hibiscus live, and it did for a few years, but finally the Arizona weather, the brutal colds, and the, well, brutal colds there, I'm talking like 32 degrees, brutal colds, and then the hot summers. I hate to, we called it our anniversary plant because when it would bloom on our anniversary in May. But it didn't bloom really last year. But did we have one or two or so?
We had a few.
We had a few, but it used to be like 40 of them that would bloom. But now I have a feeling it's not going to bloom, and I hate to say it. We're going to have to make room to grow something if that's not going to grow right. We'll find out, but I don't see any new growth on it. That's my problem. You know what I mean? There's really no new growth. It's just not happy in the middle of the desert. Ergo tropical hibiscus. So anyways, Lavier is still doing his work.
We're just taking these little bags. They're pull-tight bags. Get them on Amazon, pretty cheap.
If Amazon will deliver right now. Derp.
Well, they're not going to deliver, but they will eventually. And we're just going to tuck these little tomatoes in there.
Let's see what he's doing. Hold on.
So we're just going to tuck those in. Oh, yes. There's 4. I think I'm going to need another bag back here.
Give me $1. Do you need another bag? Look, the bags. Where are the bags? Oh, he moved them. He moved them over here. I help. Here you go, Frankie.
So we're going to need another one over here.
Okay, I'm going to do something interesting here.
Put this little tomato in there. Just like that.
Is this focusing?
I'm not sure. And then we're going to pull this little tag tight over here. This one over here. Oh no. And then we're just going to let it be. Because we have about 4 or 5 in there. And just let it lay down. Back in there like that. And let it grow. Grow, tomato, grow.
You stepped on the toy. You ready to get it? Go get the toy. Go get the toy. Give me the toy. Give me the toy. Come here, bring it here. Stop being a dick. Come here. Come here. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it, you little bitch. Drop it. Well, I want to play with the toy. Let me run away. Oh, there's Frank again. Hi, Ouray. Sit. 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 That's all the way down. Sit. I'm a pretty puppy. Say hi, I'm a pretty puppy. I'm a pretty puppy. Yes, I am. I'm a pretty boy.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you want to see more like it. Subscribe to keep up with the garden. Comment down below if you have any questions or requests. You can find all the ways to connect in the description box, including lavgar.com, where you can buy seeds or view blog posts, and at Lavier's Urban Garden on Facebook, which is where new content is previewed. Until next time, happy gardening!